This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 7 of the 2015-2016 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 51,622 tons of cane. So far, for the 7 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 295,390 tons of cane. That is 66,872 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory milled 362,262 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 4,671 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 7, and a total of 25,699 tons for the 7 weeks of crop. That figure continues to be much less than the 42,831 tons produced last year. For the 7th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 7,375 tons cane per day and 6,028 tons cane per day for the 7 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,393 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 7, juice purity first expressed stood at 83.96%, 83.52% for the 7 weeks of crop, and 88.08% last year. For the 7th week of crop, it took 11.05 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 7 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 11.49. Last year, it stood at 8.46. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 95.32% was recorded this week, 95.01% for the 7 weeks of crop, and 95.23% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 97.64% and 92.51% for the 7 weeks of crop. Last year, it was at 97.48%. Cañeros, se les anima a mantener sus esfuerzos de control de calidad para garantizar la entrega de caña madura, limpia y fresca al molino.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.